A cycle courier has won an employment rights case against the logistics firm CitySprint in a ruling that could have implications for many other workers. Maggie Dewhurst was classed as self-employed, but argued that she should be treated as a worker and given rights including holiday and sick pay. The company says it's disappointed by the outcome, as our industry correspondent John Moylan explains.
Maggie Dewhurst delivers medical supplies by bike to hospitals and labs. But despite being a CitySprint courier for the past 2 years, she doesn't have basic workers' rights. She's one of thousands of people in the so-called gig economy, characterised by temporary, insecure jobs. CitySprint say Maggie is an independent contractor. In other words, she's self-employed. But she believes her relationship with the firm is more like that between an employer and a worker.
We spent all day being told what to do, when to do it and how to do it. We're under their control. We're not a mosaic of small businesses, and I think that's why we deserve basic employment rights like the national minimum wage.
Today, an employment tribunal agreed. It found Maggie is a worker. It described her CitySprint contract as contorted, indecipherable and window dressing. Tonight, CitySprint said that it was disappointed, but that the judgment applies to a single individual and was not a test case. It added that the case demonstrated that there is still widespread confusion regarding this area of law. It's calling on the government to provide better support and help for businesses.
But there are a number of legal challenges coming just around the corner which threaten to shake up this part of the gig economy. As well as this case involving CitySprint, there are tribunal cases pending involving Addison Lee, eCourier and Excel. Now, some say if the firms lose these challenges, it could fundamentally undermine their business models.
Within the courier industry, this is very important. But looking further afield, it's important to any business that uses self-employed people as their main business model. And that they'll have to be looking at, well, actually, can we justify this? Are they genuinely self-employed? Or is there a risk that they will be found to be our workers too?
Maggie's case mirrors a similar judgment against the cab-hailing firm Uber last year. An independent review of modern employment practices commissioned by the government is due to report in the spring. John Moylan, BBC News.